Jan from Summerwood has a question about some cracks in her brick.
Yeah, look at this one here. It's split right in line with the lintel on the window, Tom. Crack right across there.
See that?
Yeah. Jan writes, it was just a hairline crack for a long time, but has become much wider recently. All the other bricks on the house are intact. And she says, and we have no cracks in the foundation or the inside walls. Do you know what might have caused this to happen? This strike you as a foundation problem?
It's absolutely not a foundation problem. I don't want them to have any second thoughts about it. Most of the time I'll tell people, have Due West come out and just look at it. This case, I don't even want you to waste their time because they're going to tell you right off the bat, no. If you look at that stretch of brick, it's a short stretch of brick going from a wood siding to a window lintel. The lintels are angle iron, and after a while they start to rust. When they rust, they get bigger. So they expand. So what it's doing is it's popping that little line of mortar. It's putting a stress on there, causing that little straight crack to happen. So the only thing I can tell you is if you want to repair it, you can have a brick repair company come out and point and tuck that area and, move some of the bricks around, relay them just right, and it'll be fine. But there is no foundation problem. It's all because the lintel is just expanding with age.
Have you ever seen a lintel that cracked a brick like that in half?
Yes. Well, not in half. It's down that mortar joint if you really look at it.
All right.
The mortar joint's real. It's the weak link in the whole scheme of brick, right? Okay. So it's just expanding a little bit. It just
stressed the brick enough to make it. It just stressed that brick enough to pop it.
And if you look, it's a short run.
Yeah.
So it's not a whole wall over there. They've got some kind of roof line coming down with siding. So out of all that wall, with any movement, that little run there with that lintel, that is going to be the weak point of expansion and contraction, but it's not foundation problems.
Well, that's good news for you right there. All right, you got a question?
You
got a question, Tom? That's good news for you. He'll answer your question for free. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button right there on the homepage. Fill it out. Send it in. We'll do a video like this, and we'll post it on our website, on our YouTube channel, and our Facebook page. Do you follow us on Facebook? Wish you would.